Hello everyone. Today our topic is system of linear equations. It is a topic in matrix. First of all, we have to know what is the definition of a system of linear equations. It is nothing but a collection of one or more linear equations. Here the word system indicates that all equations are to be considered collectively rather than individually. For example, we will take the following is the linear equations, that is 1x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 4 and 5x plus 6y plus 7z is equals to 8 and 9x plus 10y plus 11z is equals to 12. Suppose let us consider this is the system of linear equations. First of all, we have to convert this into matrix form. How to convert into matrix form? That is Ax is equals to b is the general form to convert this type of linear equations into matrix form. Here what is meant by A? A is nothing but here the coefficients of the variables means 1, 2, 3 like that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 and 11. Here x is nothing but variables. What are variables here? X, y and z. X, y and z. And here the term b means constants which are present here. What are constants here? 4, 8 and 12. Okay, 4, 8 and 12. All this combined form is known as augmented matrix. First of all, many people will have the doubt how to find the solution for this type of linear equations. Is this consistent or inconsistent? Like this type of questions will be asking in exam. So in order to solve this, we have to be thorough with this concept. Linear equations solution is of two types. They are consistent and inconsistent. Here consistent means what? Exists solution. And inconsistent means there is no solution. And again here consistent is of two types and inconsistent is only one type. Here consistent, before going to this we have to know one trick here. The first and foremost thing that we have to find out for this linear equations which is converted into matrix is to find the rank of a matrix and rank of augmented matrix. Which mean rank of A and rank of augmented matrix must be find out before going to this step. Okay, here if rank of A is equal to rank of an augmented matrix is equals to R. Suppose let it be. If R is equals to n, here n is nothing but number of variables. For suppose in this case here the variables are 3 x, y, z. So here what is n? N is equals to 3. In this way n means number of variables present in a equation. So if R is equals to n, then there exists only unique solution for the system of equations, means only one solution. In a similar way, if R less than n, then there exists many solutions. That means infinity solutions for the given system of linear equations. Here no solution means only one, that is rank of A is not equal to rank of an augmented matrix. So first of all we have to find out the rank of the matrix and rank of augmented matrix. This is the main and most important thing to find out the solution is consistent or inconsistent. This is the only trick to follow whether to find the given system of linear equations are consistent or the solution exists or solution does not exist. Any type of question they may ask, so just be thorough with this concept. Thanks friends. If you like this video, please subscribe and share.